Hey guys, another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my big hacks from Prodigy. Because like a month ago. So I was going to do a video. So yeah. I'm doing this right now because I haven't done one in a long time. Today I'm going to do 5 vlogs since I haven't been able to catch up with you guys. And yeah. This is big hacks. You see right here. So that's big hacks, and yeah. Later, I might be able to do a vlog at a water park because I'm gonna go to a water park, and yeah. I'll be seeing you there, and I'll try to make 5 vlogs today, and pretty much, yeah. My dogs are out there, so I'm gonna be showing you that. See? There's the water right there. So you see it right there. See, the water's right there. There we go. Pretty much, yeah. And it's really wet here. And I'll see you guys next time on another video. Oh, and also I'm going to show you a poster on mine. See? This is a Minecraft poster. I probably can't see it. I'll just try. See? See it better. This is my Minecraft poster. That's my Minecraft poster. I'm going to show you something that's there. If you see that little black dot right there in the water, that's basically a human trying to escape from there. Yeah. I also have this poster of half pig, half man, all zombie. From the fiery depths of the Nether, amazing and in the flesh. And they also have this kind of art project I did of Sans, or like Sans, like from the guy from Undertale, the skeleton guy. I don't know how to say the name, but I know the name of the game. So this is what I did for him. Pretty much, yeah. So I'll see you later, guys. So yeah, bye. Thank you for subscribers, and yeah.